Okay, so we took off on Upheaval Dome Trail, where there's overlooks for an upheaval dome that we're going towards. And of course the trail is marked by little rock things. That's the technical name for them. Little rock things. I feel like that deadwood should be like turned a little bit. I wonder if I would be doing the national parks a service or a disservice. Disservice. They said you couldn't take it. They didn't say you couldn't move it. Huh? No, you can tell them. I'll just tell them the branch was across the trail. I moved it parallel to the trail. I did a service. That's practically trail maintenance. They'll probably mail me a check.
He scratched the rock while he was doing it.
No, I didn't. I was very careful with the rock and the branch. It wasn't graffiti, it was trail maintenance. There's another pile of rocks.
I'm so confused. Look at all the piles.
Oh, piles of rocks everywhere.
Wait,
2 hours later. 2 years later. Okay, so we're coming along to overlook number 2 on Upheaval Dome Trail towards the Upheaval Dome. Wow, how'd those people get over there?
I think we're about to find out.
Oh, you're right. It does go along over there. Follow the piles of rocks. Follow the piles of rocks. Follow the. Oh, look. Maybe you have to go along there. Maybe that's a dead end.
Yeah, I bet it is. Here, why don't we let these guys come through down.
Okay.